चलो कामयाबी की कोई वजह ढूंढते हैं, जहाँ ना हो कोई भेदभाव ऐसी जगह ढूंढते हैं। बुरा माना है कितनों ने हमारे घरों से बाहर जाने पर, चलो उनके दिलों की गिरह खोलते हैं। बहुत वक्त गुजर गया सपनों का गला घोंटते हुए, अब इन सपनों में जान पड़ जाए ऐसी जगह ढूंढते हैं। चलो कामयाबी की वजह ढूंढते हैं। हम भी जीवित हैं, हम में भी जान है, ये पता होना चाहिए। अरे इस समाज रूपी पेड़ पर एक पत्ता हमारा भी तो होना चाहिए। चलो कामयाबी की कोई वजह ढूंढते हैं, जहाँ ना हो कोई भेदभाव ऐसी जगह ढूंढते हैं।
Job Conscious Foundation is entering into its sixth year of spreading love and empowering women. I am proud to take you all through our journey of these impactful last 5 years. I have always believed that every woman has a power to change the world around her. When we empower a woman, we empower an entire family. I would like to thank you all for your continued support. Without you all, JCF would just have been my dream. Thank you for making it a reality. कभी माँ तो कभी बहन बनकर दुलारती है, नारी ना जाने कितने जीवन संवारती है।
In 2015, when GCF was started in Mundaka, a community baseline survey was done to understand the needs and issues of the community. We discovered that women here are trapped in a vicious cycle of poverty, gender-based discrimination, dependence on male members of the society, inadequate education and skill building opportunities. Here, young girls are often pulled out of school to take over household chores, responsibility for younger siblings, and many never have the chance to go back. Even in cases where they complete their education, they are not given the opportunity to work. From here, the JCF vision of women self-reliance was inserted.
We at JCF believe that when girls have a chance to go to school and learn the skill that enable them to earn a living as a woman, the benefits are felt community-wide. It is women who are the backbone of society. An empowered society is not possible without an empowered woman who is self-reliant both economically and in terms of her decision-making ability. Self-reliance is the foundation of JCF's approach, which continues to guide our 5 programs: Kabil, Sparsh, Sangini, Kameri, and Yuvika.
Launched in 2015, program Kabil has imparted skill development and vocational training to over 2,000 young women and girls. So far, we have been training women to suit their skill requirements of handicraft and fashion industry, beauty and wellness industry, IT and communication industry.
Incepted in 2016 is our Women Leadership Program, where women organize themselves to address social issues faced by their community through advocacy with local authorities, awareness generation, and educating themselves about social and legal rights. The philosophy of personal is political runs Sangini and work through organizing and unionizing. Over 4,000 women have been organized by program Sangini so far.
Yuvika was also launched in 2016. It is our youth sensitization program. We aim to impact young girls through this program. We take sessions on adolescent age issues, gender, sexuality, and career guidance with school-going girls of the community by collaborating with government school and also forming Kishori Mandals in the community. In 2017, sponsorship programs for women's higher education was started and over 2,000 girls are reached through Yuvika till date.
Sparsh focus on generating awareness about child sexual abuse among the community and also training children to identify good and bad touch by doing community campaigns. We have taken session in the school, Anganwadi and community neighborhood. We reached 35,000 families through Sparsh within a year.
To encourage the spirit of entrepreneurship among women, JCF started Kameri. The program worked with women who are potentially strong but economically weak to give them an opportunity and platform to grow as entrepreneurs.
As of now, around 25 women are engaged in environmentally sustainable income generating activity of making cloth bags and are able to earn 8 to 10,000 rupees per month. More than 50 women in JCF had been trained in making home decor items like smoking, macram cushion, wall hanging and painting, which have been sold online and offline to provide immediate income to the women.
2021 में हम सभी मैक्रम एंड हैंडीक्राफ्ट के महिला कारीगरों को संगठित कर उनकी आर्टिजन प्रोड्यूसर कंपनी रजिस्टर कराना चाहते हैं जिससे वे सप्लाई चेन के डायरेक्ट प्रॉफिट होल्डर्स बन सकें। धन्यवाद।